So we chose the Ford 2.3 Ecoboost engine. In fact, we used the Mustang version of the engine because that's a rear-wheel drive car. But we chose the Ford 2.3 because so many other things on the Defender were specified by Ford when Ford owned Land Rover. So there are a number of things with the 2.3 that are quite simple to bolt in. But there are quite a number of things also where we've had to use all our JE engineering expertise to find a way to get around little problems and to make sure the thing works really well in situ. We like to use the original car's gearbox and aircon, compressor, alternator, power steering pump, starter motor. So that allows us to make the conversion very sort of simple in some ways, but it meant it was harder to get the engine just right and all the arrangements around the engine to be perfect. But it fits into the space very easily and it has worked very satisfactorily from day one.